generation 5, and that kitten, they are generation 6. They are brother and sister of the mom of them. Hello, Maria. Let me tell you a short story about this channel. In 2007, I have only one cat. Her name was Pecie. Pecie do not have any kitten. I find Mushi, the mom of the young lady, when she was about 2 months old. In one raining day in a very dangerous situation. She was in the middle of the road. I adopt Mushi and joined with Pecie in my house. They was living together for a long time. Until Mushi have a kitten, she start fighting with the Pecie, and finally Pecie leave the house. Mushi stay at the home and bring 3 times baby. The last time was young lady and 3 brothers. The story of this channel is about a female cat. Her name is Young Lady. Young Lady born in Christmas Day 7 years ago. Now Young Lady have 6 generations in her family, and also she have 7 group grandchild and 1 group grandchild. That's the big family of Young Lady. They are in the different place of the house. If you want to see all of them, would you please visit the other video? And if you want support big family of Young Lady, would you please subscribe the channel and like the video if you are interested.